Welcome back to the channel, people. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys, and here we are again, lure fishing at the best. Well, guys, I haven't made any videos because I've been trying to set the kayak up, guys, so I've been very busy getting that together. But this evening I finally got a little chance after work where I can get out and get this funky bait in here again, see if I can pick something up this evening. Who knows what we got out here this evening, guys, because the rain came down, the rivers all came down. We got all kind of species swimming around out here between snooks, tarpons, barras, and jack, and some snappers and stuff. So casting out with the wind in my back, guys, because you don't want to be casting in the wind with the lures. Definitely don't want to do that. This is a big jack spots. I know here is famous for some jacks. I've never held any snooks, but I've gotten some good fish from this spot, guys. I fish here all the time, guys. So I haven't been here in a long while though, you know, but the river is open. See what we can pick up. All right, let's get over this side. Scan that side. There's always some big barras over here, guys, but the wind is blowing this direction, so it's not really the greatest, but you do have some barras over this side that hangs out on this side of here, guys. They love hanging out on this side of the rocks because there's a whole bunch of rocks in here. I don't know if you guys seen it in any of my other videos. All right, guys, let me get out here. I'm just scanning this water, guys, searching. Yep, high tide, guys. Get back over there to that rock. Yep, high vis lure in this water, guys, because the water is kind of murky, and what you want to do is get that action in there that they can see it. So scanning the water, searching if I see any barras or find any barras. They like hanging out in the shallows. That's their little thing, and they ambush small fish. That's what they do. So I like that little current that's running around there. Yeah, Laurie, you all right? Let me chuck it down there and see if I can pick up nothing down there in the shallows. Yes, peoples. Doing the best that we can here without catching a wind knot, guys. We have a lot of wind here today. That's great. I like it when it's glass, guys. I hardly ever fish when it's windy like this. See that? Oh, it's working pretty good in this water. I like the way it looks. Swimming pretty good. Yeah, that's another thing too, guys. You gotta pay attention to how your lure swims, how you work your lure, how your twitch baits work. What kind of swim they let off, guys? What reaction they give? Do they want to come up on top of the water? Do they stay? Oh, something went after it a while ago, peoples. Something went after it a while ago. Something went after that lure a while ago, guys. I just seen something go after it a while ago, guys. Something big went after it a while ago. I definitely seen that. Right here, right at my foot, guys. That's what's up. They're hunting, and I'm hunting. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. This is what's up. Not a good day for sailing down here either. Yeah, guys, I like when my hardware is aligned. I get a better cast that way. All right, grab the stuff. I'll start walking here. Oh, Barra. Ha ha. On the lure. He's a small guy though. I know. Put him back, right? Put him back. Aw, you're so sweet. Just as I was about to go, people, look at this. Barracuda on the lure. You got to be careful with these guys, people, because you don't want to hurt yourself. You don't want them to bite you for sure. So get this guy, you know, making him. He splashed me. Jamaican shore fishing. Baby Barra on the lure. He's a small guy. I know he was watching. Look at the lure that he tried to bite. Let's get him in there. All right, let's get him back. Hmm? Let's get him back. All right, let's go for another one. Yeah. Ooh, you see that? Yo. Oh, bye. Okay. This leg one look Barra look well right just so still. Yeah, look a bit still, you know what's up there. Yeah. You see sitting make a look a big action right just a look while. Yeah, I'm looking for something in 10 pounders.